Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss binomial theorem. Only statement we are going to use in that evaluate the problem, right? See, x plus a the whole power n equal to nc naught x power n minus, nc naught x power n a power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a square plus etc. plus ncn x power 0 a power n. One thing you have to listen, children, the power of the first term is decreased, the power of the second term is increased. This one I am going to represent it in the notation, that is sigma r equal to 0 to n nc r x power n minus r into a power r, right? A power or if x and a are real numbers, x and a are real numbers, then for all n, for all small n belongs to capital N, that means natural numbers. nc naught, nc1 and all, the n it represents only the natural numbers. The terms may be real numbers, but n, nc naught, nc1, nc2, in that n is always a natural number. Now we are going to see the exercise 2.6, right? Using the binomial theorem, we are going to evaluate the problems what it is given in exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6, expand the following by using binomial theorem. Question number 1, first Roman letter, expand the following by using binomial theorem. There is no proof for you, only statement you have to learn thoroughly. First here you see 2a minus 3b the whole power 4. The given sum I am going to relate with our formula. First, what is your n? N equal to 4. The power is represented your n. The first term is your x. 2a equal to x. Then minus 3b equal to your a, that is second term. Right? Now first you should write the formula. After that you should solve the problem. X plus a the whole power n equal to nc naught x power n a power 0 nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 plus etc. plus ncn x power 0 a power n. Now here your n is 4, I say. 2a minus 3b the whole power 4 equal to 4c naught 2a the whole power 4. Second term is minus 3b the whole power 0 plus 4c1 2a the whole power 3, that is 4 minus 1 3. The power of the first term is decreased by 1, second term is increased by 1. Now minus 3b plus 4c2 2a the whole square minus 3b the whole square plus 4c3 2a the whole power 1, right? Then minus 3b the whole power 3 plus 4c4 2a the whole power 0 minus 3b the whole power 4. Now, some standard result I have given to you already, right? Once again, I am going to recall that NC not equal to NCN equal to 1, NC1 equal to N, NCR equal to NCN minus R. Got it, children? NCR equal to NCN minus R. These are the result I am going to use it here. 4C naught. What is the value? 4C naught equal to 1. 2A power 4. 2 to the power 4 is 16. A power 4. Anything raised to 0, value is 1. First is over. Now I am going to move to the second expression. 4C1. That is NC1 equal to N. That means in the place of N you have 4. So your result is 4. 2A power 3. That is 8A cube minus 3B plus 4C2 equal to, that alone you want to calculate using the formula NCR equal to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Or I taught you the shortcut method, right? That is 4C2. Based on R, you have to write the term in the numerator as a reverse order, right? How many terms you want to write it in the numerator? Only 2 terms. That should be in the reverse. 4 into 3. Denominator 2 into 1. Based on R, you are going to express the term in the numerator, that too in the reverse order. So 6 4a square 9b square plus 4c3. See here, NCR. 4c3 equal to 4c 4 minus 3. That is, in what can you get? 4c1 you can get, right? I will explain this once again. See, NCR. Here you have to take 4c3 equal to 4c 4 minus 3. That is equal to 4c1. What is 4c1? 4. So 4c3 equal to 4c1. That is equal to 4. 4 into 2a into minus 27. What? 27 b cube plus 1 into 1, anything raised to 0, into 81 b power 4. Now 16 a power 4 minus 32 3, 96 a power 3 into b plus 216 into a square b square, again minus 27 into 8. What can you get? 27 into 8. Again you will arrive the result as 216 a b power 3 plus 81 b power 4. Got it, children? The same way I am going to do the second sum. Now, second sum, x plus 1 by y the whole power 7. Here, what is your n? N equal to 7. Your first term x as x. The second term a is equal to 1 by y. Now, 7c 0, x power 7 into 1 by y the whole power 0 plus 7c 1 x power 6 into 1 by y power 1 plus 7c2 x power 5 into 1 by y square plus 7c3 x power 4 into 1 by y power 3 plus 7c4 x power 3 1 by y power 4 plus 7c5 x power 2 1 by y power 5 plus 7c6 x 1 by y power 6 plus 7c7 x power 0 1 by y power 7. Now 7c naught, already I have discussed with you, nc naught value is 1, 1 into x power 7 into 1 plus 7c1, that is 7, x power 6 by y plus 7c2. I taught you the easiest way, right? Write the number in the reverse order in the place of numerator. 7c2 equal to 7 into 6 divided by 2 into 1. So you arrive the result as 21. 21 x power 5 by y square plus what it is, 7c3. 7c3 equal to 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So 35. 35 x power 4 divided by y cube plus 7c4. 7c4 equal to 7c3, right? 7c4 equal to 7c3. Got it, children? 7c4 equal to 7c4 equal to 7c3. NCR equal to NC n minus R. So 35, right? 35 plus 35 x power 3 divided by y power 4 plus 7c5. 7c5 is equivalent to 7c2. 7c5 equal to 7c2. So what is your result here? 21 x square divided by y power 5 plus 7c6 equal to 7c1. So 7x divided by y power 6 plus 1 into 1 into 1 by y power 7. Now final result. If you are thorough in the formula, it is easy to evaluate. Right? Only two terms. That's why we use the word as binomial. X power 7 plus 7x power 6 by y plus 21 x power 5 by y square plus 35 x power 4 by y power 3 plus 35 x power 3 by y power 4 plus 21 x square by y power 5 plus 7x by y power 6 plus 1 by y power 7. Got it, children? Now, I'm going to move to the next sum. What it is? X plus 1 by x plus 1 by x, the whole 1 by x square, the whole power 6. X plus third sum, x plus 1 by x square, the whole power 6. Here what is your n? N equal to 6, x is equal to x, a equal to 1 by x square, right? Now, what is your n? I said 6. So 6c naught x power 6 into 1 by x the whole power 0 plus 6c1 x power 5. The first term, power of the first term is decreased. Power of the second term is increased. Plus 6c2 x power 4 1 by x square plus 6c3 x power 3 divided by 1 by x power, sorry here x square, no, x square, then it becomes 4. 1 minute children. Here 1 by x square, you have to be very careful, ma. Here x square the whole square, so it becomes x power 4. Here it becomes x power 6 plus 6c4 x square into 1 by x power 8, because 1 by x square the whole power 4 plus 6c5 x into 1 by x power 10 plus 6c6 x power 0 into 1 by x power 12. X square the whole power 6. That is the meaning, right? Now, you know 6c naught value is 1. Anything raised to 0, that value is also 1. So 1 into x power 6 into 1 plus nc 1 equal to n. 6c 1 equal to 6 x cube divided by x square. X cube, sorry, x power 5, x power 5 divided by x square plus 6c2. 6c2 equal to, write the number in the reverse order, that you have to express only two terms. So 15. 15 x power 4 divided by x power 4, right, plus 6c3. 6c3 equal to 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. This is the shortcut method. You don't go for the formula, right? NCR formula, you know. NCR equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. You don't go for this. It is a shortcut method. You have to use it like this. 20 into x power 3 divided by x power 6. Now, plus 6c4 is equal to 6c2, right? 6c4 equal to 6c2. So, what is 62 value? 15. So, 15 into x square divided by x power 8 plus 6c5 equal to 6c1. So, 6 into 6x divided by x power 10 plus 1 into 1 by x power 12. Now, the cancellation and all you have to do, and we are going to write it as a simplest format. X square, it becomes 3. X power 4 cancel. X cube, here it becomes 3. X square, here it becomes 6. It becomes 9. Here 12. Got it, children? Now, which is equal to x power 6 plus 6x cube plus 15 plus 20 divided by x cube plus 15 divided by x power 6 plus 6 divided by x power 9 plus 1 by x power 12. Have you all understood, children, how we are simplifying the format using the binomial theorem? Now, I am going to move to the second Roman letter. What it is, second Roman letter, you see? Evaluate the following using binomial. Second Roman letter, first term, what it is given, you see, 101 the whole power 4. If you want to use binomial, we need two terms, right? How I am going to express 101, you see, 100 plus 1 the whole power 4. Now it looks like a binomial, right? Two terms, binomial. If it is two term, we can apply the binomial theorem easily. Now you see 4. What is your n? N equal to 4, x is equal to 100, a equal to 1. Now 4c naught 100 power 4 into 1 power 0 plus 4c1 100 cube into 1 plus 4c2 100 square into 1 square plus 4c3 100 into 1 cube plus 4c4 100 raised to 0 into 1 power 4. Now 4c naught value, you know, 1. 1 into 100 power 4. 1 into 100 power 4. 1 into 100 power 4 plus 4 into 100 power 3. 4c2 is nothing but 4c2 equal to 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. So you arrive the result as 6. 6 into 100 square. 1 square as 1. Next, 4c3 is equivalent to 4c1. So 4 into 100 plus 1. Because 4c4 is 1. Anything raised to 0, that value is also 1. Then 1 power 4 as 1. Now, which is equal to 100 power 4. That means 100 into 100. How many zeros? 4 zeros. The same way, 100 into 100. 4 zeros. Totally, how many zeros you want to put? 8 zeros, right? Now, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Got it, children? Here I use international method, right? Plus 4 into 100 into 100, 10,000. 10,000 into 100, you should add 2 zeros. That's it. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros you want to add? 6 zeros. International method I followed here. That's why each 3 numbers I put a comma, right? Plus 6 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 400 plus 1. If you want, you should follow Indian system also. Nothing is wrong, right? Now, I will use the Indian system, right? 1 minute. No problem, we'll follow this, right? See? Plus 4, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 0, 0 plus 400 plus 1. Final result, see, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4. Next, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 4, 0, 6 0 4 0 1. Now your result is 1 0 4 0 6 0 4 0 6 0 4 0 1. Got it, children? If you want, you should express in the Indian system as well as international. This is international. Indian system means 1 0 4 0 6 0 4 0 1. Got it? It is Indian. This is Indian system. This one is international. Any one you can adapt and express your answer. Got it, children? Thank you, children. Sorry, before that I want to say one thing. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update. Thank you, children.